All right, I got the software installed. Let's watch this move. So I can control it with the number pad and then shift, I think, for Z. Yep. Right now I have it set up to move 1 inch at a time. And I like to just kind of, make sure that everything looks okay as I kind of move towards the limits of X, Y, and Z. You kind of want to worry about tapping the button too much because it'll remember, okay, I tapped it like 20 times, it'll move 20 inches. I may or may not have 20 inches, so don't like panic tap it and eventually hope that it's just gonna do it right. But this looks pretty good. Sounds a little rough on Z, I think. Oh, that's not bad. Maybe. That'll work. So yeah, it's great to make sure that nothing gets hung up on itself, nothing gets caught, all the cables are, are not interfering with each other or getting pulled in a weird way. But let's try to have it home itself and see if that works. So I had to move all the way to the back. Not really for any real reason other than to just watch it work. So it's home in Z first. It's going to raise it all the way to the top. There's what the limit switch looks like. It'll just tap, tap, tap. Yeah. Oh boy, I didn't realize this was so freakishly slow. Oh boy. All right, see you later. Is it done? No. All right, sorry. All right, you're going to watch what this limit switch does when it finally hits it. There you go. And there's the other one. This machine only has limit switches on this one side, so the other side you don't get that. Cool. Now it's zeroed. Well, sorry, not zeroed, homed. So these are two collets that I have. This one's for an 1/8 inch. This is for a 1/4 inch. This came with the DeWalt. As you see, this is not a fancy spindle. This is just a DeWalt hand router. And this is the thing that came with it. And it's, a little sloppy and rough, but it works. These are nice. It's still probably overkill on a thing like that, but whatever. So the bit's installed, but I need to make sure that the Z is calibrated properly because it's not really normal. So I kind of need to figure out if that's 1 inch. Yeah, that's about 1 inch. All right, that looks fine. I think we're good to go. Gonna double check my file and load up some plywood.